How to hide following list on TikTok. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Here go to Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Following List. Here, you can choose who can see your following list on TikTok. Select Only You. If you select Only You, this means that other users will only see mutual friends. Following these steps, you can easily hide the following list on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.